Good morning, students. Our session of Advanced Financial Management. In the previous session, we have discussed about the stages, process, advantages, and limitations of venture capital. Now, the last point of our chapter, that is venture capital, is incubation financing. Now, it is really very interesting point, that is incubation financing. Now, in this process, the venture capital institutions are going to have a trial of their own fund by investment in a particular venture capital institute, and they are going to see that whether their funds are effective, whether their funds are efficient, and whether the funds, venture capital funds, give maximum return to both venture capital institute as well as venture capital enterprise. So it is a trial period, it is a testing period where venture capital institutions are going to test their own fund. In a simple language, we can say that venture capital institute કે જે ફિનાન્શિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ છે કે જે આપણને ફંડ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે, હવે ઇન્ક્યુબેશન ફિનાન્સિંગ પ્રોસેસમાં વેન્ચર કેપિટલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ પોતાના જ ફંડનું ટેસ્ટ કરશે. એટલે વેન્ચર કેપિટલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ જે ત્રણ ટાઈપના ફંડ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે. ધ ફર્સ્ટ વન દેટ ઇઝ ઇક્વિટી, દેન આફ્ટર second one is conditional loan, and the third one is income note. તો આ જે ત્રણ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપના ફંડ્સ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન દ્વારા પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે કોઈ પણ વેન્ચર કેપિટલ એન્ટરપ્રાઇઝને. સો એટ ધેટ ટાઈમ they are going to see that how the fund is working, how the funds are efficient, and how the funds get the maximum return at the time of the funds are in the operations. એટલે એકચ્યુઅલી જ્યારે ફંડ્સને તમે કોઈ પણ એન્ટરપ્રાઇઝને પ્રોવાઈડ કરો છો પછી ફંડ જો પોઝિટિવ રિઝલ્ટ આપે તો જ દેટ gives a positive result to the organization. Otherwise, many a time it is possible that venture capital institutions have large number of funds or large options with them, but each and every option does not provide positive result to the venture capital organization. So it is a testing period, it is a trial period where venture capital institutions are going to check the effectiveness, the feasibilities, and effectiveness of their own fund which is provided by them only. So it is, in short, we can say that it is a trial process, it is a testing process. Now let's see in a proper manner. Incubation is a trial process in which a fund company operates a single fund or group of funds privately with its own capital or employee capital in order to test the operating characteristic of the fund. Here, the venture capital institutions become the enterprise themselves. એટલે વેન્ચર કેપિટલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ છે એ જ પોતે કંપની ક્રિએટ કરે છે અને પછી પોતાનું ફંડિંગ એ પોતાની કંપનીને જ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે. પછી જે રીતે ફંડ પ્રોવાઈડ થશે, whether the single fund or the group of the fund, now in that they are going to check that how the funds are going to operate in a practical manner. એટલે કોઈ પણ જ્યારે અનધર ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સને ફંડ પ્રોવાઈડ કરવાની વાત આવે ત્યારે જો તમારું જ ફંડ પ્રોપર મેનરમાં વર્ક કરતું હશે તો એનો બેનિફિટ્સ અધર ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સને મળશે, અધરવાઇઝ અધર ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સને એનો બેનિફિટ મળશે નહીં. તો અહીંયા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન પોતે જ એક એન્ટરપ્રાઇઝ ક્રિએટ કરે છે અને પોતાનું જ ફંડ પોતાની જ એન્ટરપ્રાઇઝમાં પ્રોવાઈડ કરે અને પોતાના ફંડનું એ ટેસ્ટિંગ કરે છે. ધીસ ઇઝ નોન એઝ ઇન્ક્યુબેશન ફિનાન્સિંગ. And the funds which are tested in incubation are known as incubated funds. These funds are only for the testing purpose, so that will be known as incubated funds. Incubation is a common practice used by both mutual fund companies and hedge funds to gauge the demand and operating characteristic of potential new funds. Normally, આ ટાઈપનું ફંડિંગ મ્યુચ્યુઅલ ફંડ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એન્ડ ધ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન વિચ આર પ્રોવાઇડિંગ ધ હેજ ફંડ એ લોકો કરે છે. એ મ્યુચ્યુઅલ ફંડ કંપનીઝ તો આપણને ખબર જ છે. મ્યુચ્યુઅલ ફંડ્સ આર ધોઝ હુ આર ગોઈંગ ટુ gather the investments of their investors and investing those investment in different avenues so that they are able to diversify the risk, and on the basis of that they are able to gain the maximum return. And hedge funds means security against the risk. When you are secured your funds from the external risk, so that fund will be known as hedge funds. So incubation, the process of incubation is done by two major companies. The first one, that is the mutual fund companies, and the second one, that is hedge fund companies. Investment companies may use an incubation trial process to test a single fund or a group of funds. The fund company will base its decision to launch a fund on a number of considerations. Yes, when the venture capital institutions are going to launch the new funds in the market for the venture capital enterprise, so before launching in the market, they are going to have a trial process of their own fund. So on the basis of that, they comes to know about the different considerations, the different characteristics which are there to put into the consideration, or some characteristics are there which requires the maximum changes. So when they are going to scrutinize their own fund, that how our fund is effective for the investors, how our fund gives the maximum positive result in the market. So these questions are there in the mind of venture capital institutions. So with the help of this incubation testing, they are able to sort out the problems of launching the new funds before do not have the consideration of examination. It may only provide funding and resources for one new fund. Yes, it is for a single fund or it is for the group of fund. Tasting funds in incubation allows a company to make a small investment that could save them money in the long term if they find the fund to be unprofitable. Yes, sometimes it is possible that few funds give the maximum return in a short term only, while they are not give the positive result in a long period of time. So in this testing process, in this trial period, the venture capital institutions are going to see that how the fund is effective in a long run plus in the short term in a proper manner, so that they gives proper profit in both the time constraint, means in the short period of time and in the long period of time. Then after, incubation funds are typically open to a company's employees and family members, with the company often investing seed capital as well. Yes, here venture capital institutions are not going to have a trial of their own funds with the third person, because it is the trial basis and there is a no guarantee of profit, there is a no guarantee of return in that. So they are going to share this trial fund with their own employees or with their own family members. If a company finds that its incubation period proves to be a success for the fund, the next phase will include the preparation and announcement of a public launch. Yes, if the funds give a positive result, while it is going to be shared with our employees or our family members, then on the basis of that success, on the basis of some changes are there in the fund mechanism, so later on the organization will launch the new fund in the open market, so that the general public gets the benefit of this new tested and trialed funds in a proper manner. If it is testing a group of fund, it may proceed with the best performing fund for launch. Yes, but obvious, with the help of incubation financing process, organization come up with the new idea, with the potential idea and with the guarantee of profitable investment in that particular fund. So it is a very important aspect for the venture capital institute to launch the new fund, and they are getting the maximum benefit of this trial process of a new fund, so that they are able to make a reasonable changes in or at the time of launching the new funds. Generally, maximum time limit of incubation financing is for a short period of time, because within a short period of time, company knows about its effectiveness and its efficiency. So the trial process is always for the short period of time. If the trial process takes a long period of time, then definitely the fund is not suitable for the general public. So that's all about the incubation financing. So here we are ending our chapter, that is venture capital itself. In that we have seen the introduction of venture capital, the concept of venture capital, features of venture capital, origin and history of venture capital, then after venture capital in India, various steps in venture capital, venture investment process, then after advantages and limitations, and in the last we have the discussion of incubation financing. So here our chapter is over. So in the next session we are going to start with the new chapter, that is credit rating agencies. So that's all for today's session. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much.